Recently, I came across a product called the PTZ Crystal Serum, and it's being marketed as a powerful DIY ceramic product that's being heavily marketed and supposedly give your car 9-inch hardness, deep gloss, scratch protection, and more than 10 years of durability. The ads make it look like you can simply wipe this liquid into your car and instantly transform faded paint into perfect showroom finish. But here's the truth. PTZ Crystal Serum is heavily misleading. The ads and the claims being used to market it do not match how real ceramic coatings actually work. Before I continue, a quick disclaimer, this video is for awareness purpose only. I'm just trying to expose this product so people don't get misled. Now let's break it down. One of the major red flag is the 10-year plus years of protection claim. Real professional ceramic coatings are not simple wipe on miracle products. They require proper paint correction, surface preparation, careful application, and curing time often done by trained detailers in controlled environments. You cannot realistically achieve true long term ceramic protection from a tiny bottle sold through random online ads. Another issue is the advertising itself. If you go through the advertisement, they seem to be like pretty much AI generated. The video appear online seem to be heavily like AI generated and doesn't seem to be working as they promise. The results look far more dramatic than they actually are. In reality, products like this usually work more like a temporary detailing spray or polish. They may add some shine and water beading for a short period, but they do not really create real scratch resistance or permanent protection. Some users even compare the product like this to shoe polish. It improves appearance temporarily but doesn't actually restore or protect the surface in any meaningful long-term way. Now, here's where things get even more misleading. The name Crystal Serum sounds very similar to professional grade ceramic coating products used by real automotive detailers that can easily confuse buyers into buying and thinking this is the same quality when it clearly isn't. And when you look deeper, the pattern becomes more obvious. This appears to be a generic detailing formula that has been rebranded and resold under different names online. Similar products can often be found on wholesale platforms for only a few dollars before being massively marked up and advertised as premium technology. The marketing also relies on fake urgency, unrealistic discounts, and questionable reviews. Some websites even claim the product is made in Europe, while many customers report their orders actually shipped from China. And once people receive it, the experience often doesn't match the advertising at all. Many buyers report that sign fades quickly, sometimes within days or week, and that the product offers retail to no actual production. And when you step back, the logic becomes simple. If a cheap wipe on product truly delivered professional 10-year ceramic coating performance, then everyone would use it. The TikTok ads wouldn't have been like simply be promoting it. So let's be clear, the PTZ Crystal Serum is not a professional ceramic coating, it's just an overhyped detailing product being marketed with exaggerated claims and unrealistic promises. So if you've seen this product or tried it, share your experience in the comments so others can stay informed. Like the videos, subscribe to us because many car care breakthroughs online are just repackaged drop shipping products.